Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. In this one I'm going to show you how I play the chords to We Are the Champions by Queen. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and I'm going to show you how to play this without a capo. In order to play along with the original recording, you will have to put a capo at fret 3. I have posted 2 covers of this song on YouTube. One is with a capo, the other is without. Once you've learned this song, you can play along with either cover. First, we'll start with the verses. And the verse chords are A minor 7 and E minor 7. I'm playing my A minor 7 by placing a finger on the B string fret 1 and the D string fret 2 and strumming from the A string. My E minor 7 is made by placing a finger on the A string fret 2. Here's how we'll play the verses. We'll play A minor 7 followed with E minor 7. We'll play those 2 chords 4 times, and I'm playing them by starting with the A string with my A minor 7 chord in place and going down, back up, the low E string, and then strum the E minor 7 twice. We'll do that 4 times. Next, we'll play C major and F major, like that. We'll play a traditional C chord by placing a finger on fret 3 on the A string, fret 2 on the D string, and fret 1 on the B string, and we'll strum it this way. That was downward, then back up. And then we'll go to our F chord and do the same thing. Okay, so we're holding down the D string fret 3, the A string fret 2, and the B string and high E string fret 1 for that, starting with the D string like that. So we'll play it this way. After that, we'll play this. That was a C chord, a G/B chord, played by holding down the A string at fret 2 and strumming from that string, A minor 7, a D chord, and that's a traditional D, holding down the E string at fret 2, the B string at fret 3, and the G string at fret 2, strumming from the D string. Then back to our G chord. Our G is also traditional, holding down the low E string at fret 3, the A string at fret 2, the B string at fret 3, and the high E at fret 3. Strumming all the strings. So that's C, G/B, A minor 7, D, then back to G. After that, we'll use this as a lead-in to the chorus. G, A. And that A is formed by holding down the D, G, and B string at fret 2, strumming from the A string. So we've got G, A. Now we're into the chorus. We'll play the chorus this way. We went to our D chord, strumming downward twice, an F minor 7, and we're playing it this way. I'm holding down the low E string at fret 2 and holding down the D, G, B, and high E string at fret 2, muting the open A string. Okay, now that's an F sharp minor 7. You can also play that by just holding down these 4 strings. That's from the D string down at fret 2. An easy substitute. Now for the B minor 7 chord, we'll play this. That's a bar chord. We're barring from the A string down at fret 2, and we're bringing in a finger to the B string fret 3 and the D string fret 4, strumming from the A string. Now for an easier version of that chord, we'll play a B minor 11, which doesn't include a bar. We're going to play the A string at fret 2, the G string at fret 2, and the B string at fret 3. And we can sub that for the B minor 7. So if we substitute the F sharp minor 7 and the B minor 7, we'll wind up playing this. D, F sharp minor 7 this way, B minor 11, then G and A. Then we'll go back to the D chord, F sharp minor 7, G chord, an F sharp note here at fret 2 on the low E string, open E, a B7 chord, B7 flat 9, back to B7. So that's now we're making that B7 by putting a finger on the A string fret 2, the D string fret 1, and the G string fret 2, and we're just strumming from the A string down to the B string. We're going to make a B7 flat 9 by simply laying this finger down like that as we're making that B7 chord. Lay it down, pick it back up. So that's next we'll go to We Are the Champions, E minor 7, A, G, A sharp diminished, and slide it up to C sharp diminished. So that was Now we're making that A sharp diminished by holding down the A string at fret 1, the D string at fret 2, and the B string at fret 2. And we're strumming just those strings, and we're going to move that up to fret 4 like that, so we've got the same chord. So we got, and that's C sharp diminished. Now we're at No Time for Losing, starting with a D, E minor 7, F6, G, and then A7 suspended 4. So we played a traditional D, E minor 7, and we're placing a finger here at fret 3 on the B string as well as fret 2 on the A string. F6 played this way. So we've got a finger on the low E string, fret 1, a finger on the G string, fret 2, and the B string, fret 3. Like that. And then to our G twice. And an A7 suspended 4, played by placing a finger on the D string, fret 2, and the B string, fret 3, strumming from the A string. So that was in order to re-enter the song, we'll play D minor and A7 suspended 4. And we'll play it this way. We're playing our D minor chord by placing a finger on the high E string, fret 1, the G string, fret 2, and the B string, fret 3. We'll start with our D minor chord, and we'll pick it starting from the D string downward, back up to the B string, G string. Then we'll change to our A7 suspended 4 chord, starting from the A string, picking downward, down to the B string, back up. So that's we'll start that over again. And then we'll go to our A7 suspended 4 chord and strum it twice. We'll do that again. A note. So here's the entire thing. After that, we'll start the song over, going to our A minor 7, and our E minor 7. And we'll repeat what we started with. Now, since everything is repeated, that's all the parts you're going to need to learn in order to play We Are the Champions by Queen on guitar. You can play this the same way on acoustic or electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.